Hi, my name is Leora Stone, and I'm president of Precision Engineering Incorporated, an advanced metalworking contract manufacturer of custom sheet metal components and assemblies. Our customers are global original equipment manufacturers in the aerospace, defense, and critical industrial sectors. And as their microfactory, we are a critical right arm to supporting their complex supply chain requirements. We manufacture components from early design stage prototyping to low, medium, and high volume production runs. And we support engineers with design for manufacturability services to reducing burdens for purchasing managers by managing their compliance documentation. We have decades-long customer relationships. We understand that our customer's name is on the final product, and our customer's customer has to always be in our mind too, because the components that we manufacture become systems or parts of systems that are critical to people's lives. From the weapon systems used by soldiers on the battlefield to the medical, power, transportation, and safety and security systems used by our children, our parents, our grandparents every day. At Precision Engineering, we're fabricating solutions, forming results.